Good morning, sir. This is my report for business finance. The topic is types of investment. Investment refers to the act of putting money, time, or resources into something with the expectation of earning a profit or gaining benefits in the future. People invest to grow their wealth, prepare for emergencies, and achievements long-term finance goals. There are different types of investments, each with its own risk and returns. Number 1, stock investment. Stocks represents ownerships in a company. When an individual buys shares, they become a part of owner of that business. Investors earn through dividends by selling stocks at a higher price. The advantage is high potential returns, disadvantage high risk due to market fluctuations. Number 2, bond investments. Bonds are loans given to governments or corporations, and returns investors receive regular interest payments in the original amount after a specific period. The advantage of bond investment is stable and predictable income, and the disadvantage is lower return compared to stocks. Then the number 3 is mutual funds. The mutual funds pull money from many investors and invest in stocks, bonds, or other assets. They are managed by professional fund managers. So the advantages of the mutual funds is diversifications and professional management. And the disadvantage, managed fees may reduce profits. Then the number 4 is real estate investments. This involve buying property such as land, house, or building to earn income through rent or resale. And the advantage of the real estate investment is long-term value appreciation. The disadvantage, it requires large capital and maintenance cost. And the number 5 is business investment. Business investments means starting or investing in a business. Profits depends on success of the business. The advantage of business investment is high earning potential and control. The disadvantage, high risk and possible losses. The number 6 is saving and time deposits. Saving accounts and time deposits are low risk investments offered by banks with guaranteed returns. The advantage of the savings and deposits, very safe, and the disadvantage is low interest rates. And here are the conclusions. Each type of the investments has different level of risk and return. Choosing the right investment depends on individual financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. A balanced investment strategy includes a mix of different investments type of reduce risk and increase potential gains. So the introduction is, investment is the act of using money or resources with the goal of earning profit in the future. People invest to increase their income, prepare for needs, and achievements financial stability. There are different types of investment, each with its own level of risk and return. Sa number 9, last nga concerned kining saving and time deposit low. These are investments made in banks that offer fixed and guaranteed interest. Risk level very low, return low but safe. The conclusion, different investments offer different risk and return. For senior high school student, understanding this type of investments help build financial awareness and responsible money management. Choose the right investment depends on how on one goes risk tolerance in the financial situation. So mauro to tanan na nakuha na sir. Nakansa, thank you and bye.